making is the aloe vera, castor oil, and olive oil mask. Now, this mask is of course good for growth. It also makes your hair more moisturized and leaves your natural curls silky, defined, and smooth. So it's basically a mask that just replenishes the hair. So first I'm going to be shampooing my hair with the Tresemme shampoo, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the steps of making the mask. Okay guys, so I finished washing my hair and I made the mask. Now it is preferable to put it in an applicator bottle, you know, the nozzle thing, because it's going to be way easier to apply to your hair. If not, you can just put it in a container and then dip it out and apply it to your hair. So it's time to apply this. So this is what my hair looks like. So I'm going to divide the hair into 4 sections so that I can apply the mask to my hair. Okay, so you want to ensure that you put on like a blouse or just something, some form of clothing that you don't care if it gets messed up, stained, anything, because it will get a little messy. So I will also be using my denim brush and a white teeth comb just to ensure that my hair is fully detangled and that every single strand of my hair gets coated with the mask. So okay, that is a little messy now. A hair mask is formulated with special oils and ingredients that is designed to sink into the hair follicle and providing benefits in one use. A hair mask makes your hair very smooth, shiny, it repairs dryness and stops frizz. It can also prevent damage. Now, a hair mask can be used once a week, once a month, or as often as needed. When applying the mask, you want to ensure that you apply it to your scalp and massage it in, because that's the first place you get growth, your scalp, and then you want to retain the length in your ends. So you'd of course add a lot of the mask to your ends because you want to get rid of the split ends, the dryness. You do not want your hair to be breaking off now, especially if you're getting new growth from the scalp. And you want to take the time and detangle your hair before applying the mask. Now I'm going to put on my little red. Time to take this off and see what I'm working with to see the results. Here feel hot though, but not like here feel hot. It's really hot, but it goes out. Okay. Check the curls. Okay. So this is the hair, this is the result, this is how my hair is looking. So I did stay under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes. Then I rinsed out my hair with lukewarm water, conditioned my hair with the Tresemme conditioner, and then dried my hair. And then this is it. Look at my curls, guys. Look at my curls. My curls are there. My hair feels really soft, really nice. My hair feels rejuvenated. So this is how my hair looks like after styling. My hair felt really soft. It was like really easy to detangle to do this hairstyle. My hair felt really light and I really love it. I'm going to keep this hairstyle in for about 2 weeks and just like, you know, allow my hair to just enjoy all the oils and all the ingredients from that mask. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.